So welcome to a new video on the Black Cat Roundabout, and we're going to have a look today very quickly at the Roundabout Works. There hasn't been a real obvious change over the last week, so we're not going to spend a great deal. I'm going to try and show a bit clearer what I meant last week. A few people said it's not so obvious when I'm not able to point out with arrows. So this area here is where they're going to lower it down, and when you look down here, I suspect that area there where those steps are, I reckon that's about 8 meters. Now I'm guessing from the height, where it's already down to that level, I reckon they're going to have to take the whole bit down to there. So if they're lowering the road by 8 meters, which is the 120,000 trucks, I think those steps indicate how much has got to come out of here. So we look at it there, and as we zoom back, this road on the right here, the current Black Cat Roundabout, isn't in the location of the old Black Cat Roundabout. They've stepped this road to the right. And I think that little bit there could be running into the bridge. So they're here, so where the steps end, there's some piling. And I think that could be where the new bridge will run across. So up there, sort of. So you'll come round, you'll curl over the top, and that bit of road there will be underneath you. And that road on the right will go through this bit here where the pile is. See the gap in the concrete structure? I reckon that's the bridge which will carry the new roundabout road over the top. Hope that's a bit clearer. There's a comment last week that could I pointed out. So yeah, that road on the right isn't in the right place. I think the bridge will be made there. And if I spin the drone back, so we'll have a quick move backwards, move across, have a look to a bit of a better position. So there's the works. We'll come back to them in a second. So if I spin round, so you're going to come out of here, and you're going to go. Well, no, you're not going to come out of there because you're going to go into there. But I think that road will curl and go there. That's what I've seen on the maps. So there'll be a bridge over the top. That'll take you underneath under the underpass. Looking at the other side, you'll come out of the underpass over there. You'll curl round. The road will step to the right further, and it'll come across and over the bridge there, which will take you over the top. So where is it? To there-ish, I think. That's what I sort of expect anyway. Anyway, let's have a look at what's going on today. We're here because it's the works where the A1's been closed over the weekend. So there's the current middle section of the Black Cat. So many comments still about flooding. Who thinks they're going to be flooding here? There's a huge drain just there. Look at it. It's massive. And there's also, let's have a look. Don't know if you can see any on this side yet. There's a pond there. Look, Stone Pond, Suds, whatever it's called. It's a proper name for them, isn't there? There's one of the ponds for the drainage. Stop messing about with the zoom now. So if we have a look over the other side, which we'll do in a second, you'll see all the way over there. We'll get over there today because there's no cranes. So quick look up, and let's go and have a quick look. So as we come over the top of the roundabout works, over this side there's going to be a whole new load of ponds built. And you can see them in the distance there. They're going to be where the drainage will go into. You know, this is a modern road. The pumps failed on the A421, which is what people forget. So the drainage issue on the A421, very unlikely to happen here. As much as everyone keeps saying, you know, people keep saying, oh, they're going to lower 8 meters. Did they not learn anything from the A421? I'm pretty sure they would have done, and they'd have built that into the plans for this road. There's that area there. It's going to be lowered over the next few weeks. So 120,000 lorries are going to come out of here. Where will they go? Well, my main guess would be to raise the A421. But, you know, that's just a complete guess. As I've said it many times, I am just an office worker. I don't do this kind of thing for a living. We come across to the other side. Have a quick look at that bridge. There's been a bit of work over on the bridges. We can capture that, but what we'll see as well as we come over here is we can see the well, I got a message yesterday from a Highways England employee to say that the staff on the site were loving the video, so great to hear. Thanks for watching. If you are new, remember to subscribe. And there we are, there's those areas in the distance. Just to see the drone still. It's all going to be made into drainage works. And as we look into the far distance, there's that bridge over the River Great Ouse. Bit more concrete on it this week, not a great deal. I'm going to use the zoom again here. I know a lot of people hate zooming in and zooming out. So there's that bridge over the River Great Ouse. Now, I said at the start, the A1 was shut this weekend, so that's why we stopped on our way home to have a quick look. And all these new ponds, look at this. All been dug out for drainage. You don't need to worry. There's a new service station being built up there as well. All that water being stored there. So there's the Black Cat itself. Let's have a look. So we'll go left over, back over. Give you a little view from the southbound carriageway. That's the main works. As we spoke about a few times, there's a bit here where everyone's using the new northbound carriageway. There's that old southbound carriageway. And just bring the drone a bit closer so you can see the pile rig still there, where they're working on the old southbound carriageway. So as you come down south now from the north, just been there myself. Not a bad journey actually down the A1. 3.5 hours from very chilly Newcastle. Not a bad journey compared to the M1. M1 has all those bottlenecks at times, but straight down the A19, A1, and yeah, there's the Black Cat. And that's not what we're here for this weekend, so we'll spin around in a second and we'll start heading down the carriageway here. So let's turn around. Some new lights in place now. As we head down the A1 here, heading south. See, there's a new bit of tarmac there. I don't think that was there last week. Looks like that might be the diversion onto the new section of A1. As we get down here, this is the Kelpie Marina access road on the right there. And what they've been doing this weekend, they've been putting the bridge in place. So that's why the A1's been closed. A421 westbound was closed as well, but it's meant to be closed until tomorrow. It's 10 to 4 on a Sunday, and it's already open. And there's the new bridge. Won't go any closer to distract them. That's the new bridge for access to the marina. So that's the quick update this week. Where we at? Can't quite read it. I've got glasses on. It's about 9 minutes. If you're still here, thanks for watching. There's that bridge being built over the A1 North, which is why the A1 North is closed. And I know I hear you. Should this have been straightened? Could it have just come to the right even? Look at that. Maybe it's a bit of an awful bend, but I guess there'd have to be a new bridge there over the... Is that the river? Same river? Maybe. I don't know. But there's the new bridge. It looks like they're ahead of schedule for opening tomorrow. So, as always, very grateful for you all watching. And I hope you enjoyed this update from the Black Cat Roundabout.